Heidi ho, Arkansas Pilgrim here again with another thing I bet you didn't know about mason jars. Last time we learned that Parmesan cheese shaker lids fit on, but now there's also something else. Yep, that's from a blender. I'm not sure how useful that really is, but I suppose if you wanted to chop something up that you were going to store, chop something up dry, you can chop it up in the jar, take the lid off, and seal it up. There you go. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. God bless y'all, and see you next time.